My name is Abhishek. Today I am going to teach you about quadratic equation and its proof. Okay, so this is quadratic equation. Okay, and the value of x in this equation is x equals to b square minus 4ac by twice a. Okay, this is called Siddharacharya Sutra. Okay, so now I am going to prove how the value of x has come minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by twice. Actually this is called d. Okay, so let's start. X square plus bx plus c equals to 0. First we are dividing a square each term of x. So 0 by a would be 0. So no need to write 0 by a. I am simply writing a 0. Actually we are a divides each and every term. So it is possible to divide each and every term. And it will not harm the rule also. Okay. So now we have to adjust it like this. This is b by 2a, and this is x, this is 2. So now we have to write b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square. Actually we are writing this because to make it a whole square, to make it a form of a plus b whole square. C by a as it is. Okay, no change in c by a. So try to understand this, what I have done. See, simply this is x square. First I divide each and every term with a. So this is x square plus b by a plus c by a, okay, equals to 0. So then x square plus 2 into b by 2a into x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a. So we have just added it and subtracted it. So it will result in 0. So which is so actually the something plus 0 we can write x. So x equals to x plus 0 we can write. So now in the place of 0 we can write b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square. So it can be written because it will get cancelled and it will again give you 0 and this will become x. So just this was an example. There is no connection between this and this. Okay. So now x square plus this is a square plus 2ab means this is ba plus b by 2a whole square, that means this is b square. Actually if we compare this, actually a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square. So if you compare this formula with this is simply x square is equals to a square, 2 is as it is 2, and this b by 2a is considered as b and x is a, and b by 2a is equals to b square. Okay, so just writing this to make you understand that this is nothing but a x plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equals to 0. x plus b by 2a whole square equals to b square by 4a square minus c by a. So b by 2a, b square by 4a square and minus c by a. Now it is 4a square b square minus 4ac equals to x plus b 2a whole square. So we have x plus b by 2a whole square equals to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So I am just writing this equation in the very first line of this. Just rubbing it, okay, and we have x plus b by 2a whole square is equals to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now x plus b by twice a can be written as root under b square minus 4ac by 4a square plus minus x plus b by twice a can also be written as plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. 4 root under 4 is equals to 2 and a square equals to a 2a. Minus b by 2a plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. So here is it. First, x square plus bx plus c. In this equation, quadratic equation, the value of x will be minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by twice it, and we have proved that. Minus b plus minus b square, root under b square minus 4ac by twice it. Thank you.